You're about to hear a letter of recommendation that was written about you when you applied to adopt.
From the moment I saw Kerry and Louise together, I knew they had a special relationship. Their bond is built on love, respect, and a shared sense of humour. A perfect setting to bring up a child.
We had many worries, didn't we, when we were thinking about adopting? I thought I was too old.
We didn't know much about it. It was all quite unknown, wasn't it?
Would we be able to be parents? Would we be able to bring up a child?
And a child that wasn't linked to us biologically, would that be okay?
And how would friends and family feel?
Yeah.
Choosing to adopt, to open their hearts and home to a child already in the world, shows what kind and selfless people they are. I know that any child lucky enough to have them as parents will grow up surrounded by unconditional love.
To become parents, we thought of different avenues, didn't we? And we did talk about IVF, and we just realised that wasn't the right choice for us. We just thought, there's children out there, you know, should we adopt? And I think it was feeling more sort of equal, wasn't it? It was a way of us both experiencing the same thing at the same time.
Kerry has a natural affinity with children. Her positive energy makes everyone feel valued, and she always lifts the mood just by being herself. Louise shares many of those same qualities. I'll never forget the way she taught my daughter to play the piano, showing patience and compassion, offering help whenever it was needed. I wholeheartedly give my recommendation to Kerry and Louise to adopt a child.
After hearing that from Justine, it's just
Emotional.
And
because you do doubt yourself, obviously. But
I think if you know someone who's thinking about adoption or has spoken to you about adoption, tell them that they can do it.
They might need to hear that.
Yeah.
They might need a little confidence boost from those who are closest to them.
Life has changed hugely, dramatically, and for the better since becoming a parent. It's been so much better than I ever thought it would be.
Our daughter is just gorgeous.
It's just been great.
Yeah. Like we had
busy,
definitely
tiring, but wonderful.
We had a great life before, didn't we?
Yeah.
But it's just
enhanced it.
Yeah, definitely.
Greatly.
Advice for somebody who is thinking about it, but wasn't sure where to just go. Yeah,
just do it. Don't wait. Now is the right time. If you're already thinking about it, it's the right time.
You're there.